Wet Lab is ultimately a floating laboratory / kitchen. So it kind of brings together the idea of testing and understanding the ecosystems of the canals by using tools that are readily accessible and perhaps that you might have at home or that you might be able to find really easily. When we first visited the National Waterways Museum, the most interesting parts were actually the amount of duckweed and pennyworth that was floating on the water, and that opened up a conversation around resources and understanding what the canal can offer that we cannot yet see. Part of the project is to kind of start testing or opening up the conversation around what are those resources that perhaps float on the water. So yeah, we've been doing firing the stove, pressing some briquettes, and then there has been a lovely tea ceremony using plants and flowers that grow alongside the canal, and that's been curated by Hannah and Ross from Assembly.
We started the day off, we opened up with herbal tea, and the herbs for the tea are all things that can be foraged from around canal sites. We are used to looking around, maybe smelling the odd flower, but we don't often actually pick something up and put it on our mouths.
I think it's more a sense of curiosity and exploration. Canals are very much used as a transportation system, or people live on canal, or they're used for leisure. But I think there is an element of making those kind of tests and kind of research around the canals a bit more available. What we want is to kind of get people engaged at the idea that we need to learn how well is the canal, what is its health, and how we can better care for it.
And something that we're hoping to generate out of the project itself is to create a kind of care manual for the canal and the people that use the canal. So it's a sort of reciprocal document which will come out of all the conversations and all the experiments that happen here. So hopefully people will also take on ideas of care with them.